Okay, problem number 1 says, for each situation, explain whether you think the relationship is proportional or not. So the idea here is that to be proportional, it has that same multiplier. So whatever is increasing in one variable is increasing by the same amount for the other. So if we read question A, it says the weight of a stack of standard 8.5 by 11 copier paper versus the number of sheets of paper. So to figure out if it's proportional, we want to ask ourselves questions like, if I increase the number of sheets of paper, is the weight going to increase at a steady amount? So if I have one piece of paper, let's say it weighs 1 gram, 2 pieces, 2 grams, 3 pieces, 3 grams, is that going to be a pattern that occurs? In this case, it is, because each piece of paper is exactly the same. The more amount that I add, that same amount of weight is also increasing. So yes, weight is proportional to number of sheets of paper. Okay. Part B, the weight of a stack of different sized books versus the number of books in the stack. So this is a little bit different because I'm doing the same thing where I'm stacking books, but they're different sized books. So that means they're going to weigh something different. So when I keep adding them, I'm not adding the same amount of weight each time, right? If you think about the paper, you keep adding the same weight every time you add a sheet of paper because it's all the same size. If I have different sized books, I might add one that's a lot lighter than the first one that's a lot heavier. So that difference is going to make something that is not proportional. So no, the books don't weigh the same. Amount.